So, and now let's all dive into the model 14, which addresses fundamental pillar for any manager, communication. In this section, I will explain the direct relationship between good communication and business and management, and how information typically flows through the different level for any organization. So, to start, we must understand that communication is not a secondary activity. It is the true backbone of management. It is the connects all the functions of a leader, from planning all the way to controlling. Why it is so important? Because its main purpose are the share goals, motivate employees, provide feedback, and resolve daily conflict. When a company communicates poorly, productivity drops and mistakes increase. But when management well, we successfully align the entire team toward a single cohesive strategy. So now, for the communication to work effectively, information must move in different directions. Today, organizations we identify four typical flows. So, number one, the one communication. This travels from upper management down to subordinates. It is used to send guidelines, polite or clean work instructions. Then, number two is upward communication. This flows from frontline employees up to management. It is vital because it allows leaders to receive performance report, suggestions, and grievances. Then number three is horizontal communication. This occurs between colleagues or department and the same level, such as when marketing coordinates with sales. It is the key to breaking down organizational silos and fostering teamwork. And number four is diagonal communication. This happens when information simultaneously crosses different functional areas and organizational levels, speeding up the resolution of urgent problems without excessive bureaucracy. Understanding and enable all of these channels prevent communication barriers, such as filtering or information overload, ensuring that the company operates in agile and effective manner. So we continue with the next point.
Barriers to effective communication. Exist different types of barriers. For example, physical barriers, distance, noise, or poor technology, or environmental condition, remote or work and virtual setting. Increase physical obstacles. Other type is a language or semantic barriers, a difference in language, vocabulary, or interpretation jargon, terminal terms, or bilingual words. Psychological and emotional barriers, stress or emotional states of sender receivers, fear, distributes or low of self confidence. Affect clarity, selective perception, and stereotype. Organizational and cultural barriers. Uh, Hierarchical structure limiting informal flow and cultural difference in norms, values, and communication established. Informal overload from too many message and the channels. Overcoming barriers. Active listening, clear and simple language, feedback loops, building cultural awareness and psychological safety, choice the right channel for each message. And from the next topic, please. The channels of the business communication. Uh, communication exists different channels. For example, the formal or informal channel. The formal channel is official routes such as reports, memos, or police informal information. And the informal is a casual exchange, like hallway conversion of the group of chat. Uh, the other channel is verbal communication, is the typical face-to-face conversation, phone or calls video, conference to the presentation. The other channel is writing channel, emails, reports, or instant message. Provide a permanent record useful for the complex or the detailed information. And the last one, digital and electronic channel. This is the social media, project management tools, video platforms, or wide reach communication across all the geographies. And that's it. Thanks.